Hey guys, Devin Anthony here at Airstream of Buffalo. I got something pretty cool today. I just purchased this back from a customer of mine. It's a 2022 Airstream Basecamp, and it is a 16X. So that's going to give you that extra 3 inches of lift with the off-road tires, as well as the rock guards. Let's take a peek. I'll show you around, and we'll make this one quick. The first thing you're going to notice, obviously, being that it's a 16 with the X package, you do have the stainless steel rock guards here, which is fantastic. You are obviously going to get the panoramic windows up front. That's Airstream. Obviously, it's classic, it's iconic, it lets in a whole lot of light. Can't really see inside, so it still gives you that privacy. Really, really sharp, really nice. And obviously, this is going to be that motorcycle visor almost material. So that's going to be your solar guard. It's going to keep that sunlight down. It's going to keep the temperature inside cool, as well as giving you protection on the road. If a rock comes up and hits this, it's going to hit this material. It's not going to break your glass that's behind the wall here. On the propane shroud up front, they do give you actually some pretty cool storage up top. So it's a really good spot for you to, store your cables. It's a good spot if you want to store your jack or anything like that up here. Obviously, underneath you do have your propane as well. So you're going to have two 20-pound propane tanks. So plenty of propane to go out and enjoy the wilderness. Which is this is kind of built for it, right? It's that 16. It comes in at 2,700 pounds dry. You got 800 pounds of cargo carrying capacity on this, bringing you up to 3,500 pounds gross vehicle weight. It's small. It's 16 feet 2 inches from the center of this ball here all the way to the very back. So it's nimble, it's maneuverable, you could take it anywhere. It's really cool, it's neat, it's fantastic. It's got a lot of cool features. Up top, you have 2 solar panels, but you also have this right here. So if you wanted to add in a second, mobile, portable solar panel under those briefcase looking things, you can, right? Just in case you're parked under the trees or anything like that, you can move that around and still maintain your batteries. Coming around to the outside, unfortunately I don't have my keys on me. You do have a hot and cold shower on the outside here. You get a little bit of extra storage as well. Underneath, oh look, we got some gloves. But plenty of storage. It's a good spot for your sewage hose, your elbows. Obviously, you do have storage for your sewage hose itself right here. Obviously, we are going to have as well that sewage hose storage there. You do have on the 16 or 16X, you're going to have a combined gray and black tank. So that's going to be a 24-gallon tank. You have 21 gallons of fresh water, but makes it easy here. You just have one valve to pull when you are dumping your tanks. Right there, you hook up your sewage hose right to the side, and bada bing, bada boom, you're done. Now, to fill your tanks, you're gonna come back to here, right? If you are going boondocking, this is gonna be where you gravity fill your tanks. That is literally behind that door. Again, I don't have my keys on me, so I can't open that up. Behind that door, there's a funnel a hole where you can put a funnel in or a hose, and you can fill up your tank. Again, that's a 21-gallon freshwater tank. If you are at a campground, you can fill it up right here. That's your city water connection. So then you don't have to worry about tank capacities. Comes right in. Something that's pretty cool, around the edge of these, you can't really see it that well on this one, but if you come up to here, you can see this black closed cell gasket behind it. Every single hole that is in the aluminum skin of this is going to have a black closed cell foam gasket behind it. So you're not gonna get those butyl putty like crumbling on you. It's very low maintenance. It's a high-end product, and it's just something that works well, and it keeps the trailer from getting any leaks or anything like that in the inside, and it creates that peace of mind in the back of your mind, being like, okay, cool, I don't have to really do a lot to maintain this. Like with butyl putty, you have to maintain it every year. You have to scrape it out, switch it out because it crumbles with the sun. With that, no worry. That power cable that we saw up front, this is where you hook it up. It is going to be a smart plug. So that's going to be super simple. Instead of twisting it on, it has two little latches that go around the center on the outside. It latches in, it connects super easy. It's going to have a light on there that tells you the conditions of the electricity even before you plug it in. That way you have, again, that peace of mind saying, hey, I am good. Obviously, you know, the less care, the better experience you have. It is going to be a 30 amp service, so you don't have to worry about finding service everywhere. Most campgrounds are going to have 30 amp service, and if they don't, you're probably going in the back of the woods where this is kind of designed to go anyway. On the back, you do have your Truma exhaust. Obviously, if you're running your furnace, you want to stay away from that. If you're running your hot water heater, you're going to want to stay away from that. It's not going to be super hot, but it's just something, you know, on the back end where you're not camping, where you're not hanging out, out of sight, out of mind, makes it easier coming around. Let's take a step back for a second and look at this really cool, you know, departure angle, dovetail kind of thing we got going on here. I don't know if you guys can tell really on the camera here, but the way this is designed, so as you're traveling, it's when you're going off-road and you're coming up a hill, this going at this upward angle here gives you a lot more of a departure angle. So you're not going to be scraping the bottom as you're, you know, going on the trails or anything like that. And then this guy here, this is a big piece of steel. What that's designed for is when you are off-road, and if for some reason you do hit or bottom out, that's going to hit first, so nothing is going to, you know, really get tore off from underneath. Cool, pretty cool safety feature there. Keeps the coach in great shape throughout its lifespan. You're going to have two entrances on the base camp. This is not really the most convenient entrance to get in and out of, but it is really good for when you're trying to come in and load all your gear. So right here, obviously I have the benches set up, but you can take this, roll it up, bring bikes inside, bring kayaks inside. It's very versatile. You have, of course, a window on the back here, right? Cool little whiteboard. If you're, you know, away at camp or anything like that on your mountain bikes, you can write, hey, where you're going, when you're going to be back, just for your friends to come out and know. Plenty of storage throughout. Being that it's a small trailer, they try giving you as much storage as possible. Yeah, coming around. Obviously, you are going to have the jacks in the back. You are also going to have stabilizer jacks up front, so 4 points of contact. I have the back ones down right now just for the video to make it a little bit easier. I don't know if this comes through on the camera. This is a screen door, so you can have both doors open and have a whole lot of airflow coming through here. And it's a sleek look, it's clean, it's beautiful, it's functional more importantly. Come on inside. First thing you're going to notice is up front, we're going to have this beautiful kitchenette area with those panoramic windows. It's very functional too. So you get a 2-burner cooktop stove. You have a very large deep sink. That's plenty of room in there. It also has a plug at the bottom if you did want to fill it up to, you know, clean your pots and pans out or anything like that. You got a really pretty spacious fridge for a camper this size. Enough for, you know, that week away. Put a couple things of food in there. If you're taking soda pops or anything like that, throw them in there. Something that they did, you know, the previous customer on here, on every single glass front door, they put this little thing here just so you could twist it down and be even more secure and peace of mind knowing that those doors aren't going to pop open on you. But underneath, you do have storage for silverware, right? Plenty of storage under there. Again, they added this pop down. You do have the optional microwave as well. So you have the microwave. Again, more storage underneath here. Of course, all of the original manuals. You have plenty of space to get up here and actually prep your food as you're doing it. Lots of workable space up here. It's very functional. It's small, again, though, it's nimble, but it gives you everything that you need, right? So you do have your wet bath, your toilet, your shower, all of, you know, the amenities you need. Obviously, your toilet paper has a cover on it. That way it's not going to get wet as you're showering. That little hatch right there, That's the outdoor shower that I was talking about. So that door pops down. You can take the actual shower head and bring it outside. So truly hot, cold shower outside. You got towel hanging rack as well. You have this line, of course, that comes across. Use it as storage. You know, if you're going out for a swim or anything like that, you have somewhere to hang your wet clothes when you're done. Now, coming in towards the back, I'm going to sneak past you here on camera. You got a pretty functional space. This is going to be your hangout space. This is going to be where you sleep. The base camp is really designed not for full-time living, but for adventure. So what they do give you is tie downs for those toys that you're bringing, mountain bikes, kayaks. I mean, if you're going skiing or anything like that, this is a good little ski lodge that you can bring. So plenty of versatility when it comes to your gear. It's a cool hangout spot on a rainy day. You can play cards. It does have 2 different spots for tables, and you have 2 different heights for the tables. So you have this, which is the higher end, right, when you're sitting here hanging out. And you're also going to have these shorter bars here. Now, these shorter bars, just make sure that that's good. The shorter bars go in here. You're going to put the table, the second table, on top. And this, whoop, that was loud, sorry about that. This is how you turn it into a bed. Now, I'm not going to do it all. They flip out, the cushions comes down, and it's going to be a full size, you know, it's almost a queen bed back here. So you have plenty of space. This is going to be a very nice option for anybody that wants to get into camping, that is wanting something small to tow behind them. It's also going to be a great option for those outdoor lovers. It's got, you know, this wonderful air conditioner up top as well. It's got a fully ducted furnace. If you guys are interested, give me a call. My number is 716-748-5565. I really look forward to hearing from you. I'm on the East Coast. Please don't call me after 10 p.m. because I'm not going to answer. All right, guys. Have a good one. Till next time.